It's snowing again. Who'd have thought? Supposed to get another inch today. Figures. Go on vacation and it snows. I guess see if people can see that. I don't know. And if you can't see this, it is super pretty. Even if it's like 2 feet of snow out here. And ice. And when I woke up this morning, I swear my car wasn't filled with snow. More snow to knock off.